Welcome back to Julia class, and now we're looking at question number 4 of this booklet, booklet 1 for operation of whole numbers. Now, please be very mindful that this question is something that is very common in PSLE. Okay, let's look at this question. Now, here say that Fernie had $50 more than Zoe at first. Now, what you can choose to do is to draw a model, and that's something that's very good and easy to use. So Fernie and Zoe. So what happened at first? Let me use the word at first. Fernie have, Fernie have $50 more than Zoe. So does it make sense? Fernie have $50 more than Zoe. Okay. Now be very careful here. Here says what? Then Zoe gave Fernie $70. It means that Zoe now give Fernie $70. So means that, look at here, I cut here. Now, I take 70 and I actually what? Take this 70 and I give it to Fernie. Okay? Now, and what happened is, if you cut here 70 and move here, it will be very important for you to also cut here and push here 70. Did you? Why you need to cut there? Now, cutting there doesn't affect anything. But if you cut here, then it makes it easier. Huh? Teacher, how is it easier? Because if you cut here, then I still can know that, oh, here and here is actually the same. Okay? So again, if you cut here 70, you must cut here so that you can see everything up and down is very clearly and it's the same. Okay? Now, this is what happened at first. Again, at first. Now, what happened now? Okay, let me draw here. Now, okay, let me just draw at the bottom here. Now, Fernie, look at here, have what? Have this pink color, correct? Have what? 70, correct? Pink color 70, 50, and also what? And also have this 70. Now, Zoe left with what? Zoe, this one gone already. So Zoe only left with this pink color thing. Can you see here? Very clear, right? This and this still the same, okay? Now, look at here very carefully, huh? Here says what? Fernie now has twice as much money as Zoe. Again, let me just repeat this word. Fernie has twice as much money as Zoe. What does the meaning of twice mean? Twice means what? Twice means actually 2 times. Means that what Fernie has is 2 times what Zoe has. And that tell you, let me just use red color. Fernie have 2 unit when Zoe have 1 unit. Correct, right? 2 times now. So 2 unit, then Zoe will have 1 unit. Look at here. If Zoe have 1 unit, Fernie will have 2 unit. Eh? Teacher, this is 1 unit. Then here is what? 1 unit lor. Then here is 1 unit. Pink color is the same, right? So it means that here is also 1 unit. Okay? 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So it means that is this 1 unit? Yes, that is actually 1 unit. But teacher, this one so long, this one so short. How does it the same? Yeah, because my drawing is not nice. Okay, sorry. Okay, but it's the same. Okay, just that my drawing, because I don't know how much money. That's why at first when I draw, my estimation is not that nice. Okay, so I now know that what 1 unit is equal to 70, 70 plus 50 plus 70. So 1 unit is equal to 70 plus 50 plus 70, which is equivalent to 190. Am I done? No, not yet. Read the question. Let me just continue. How much money did Fernie have what? At first. Again, look at the word at first. At first, how much money Fernie has? Means that they are asking for this. How much? Again, you know 1 unit is equal to what? 190. This pink color is 190, 1 unit, right? So here is what? 1 unit. Here is also what? 1 unit. And you know 1 unit is equal to 190. So what Fernie have at first is 190 plus 70 plus 50. And you can calculate, and you should get the answer is 310. 310. Okay, again, this is a very important question. Please put a star there. This is a very, very common question. Okay, so again, don't forget, you are given dollar sign and you just need to put here 310. Okay, and I hope this video helps you to understand this concept. Again, very important. And that's it. Feel free to pause and repeat if you don't watch it again if you don't understand. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.